started this channel to talk about shadow work, inner work, and inner child healing. And that is what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So basically it's going to be a pretty chill video. I will talk about how we can build our relationship with ourselves, and I will talk about my own experience and some other tools I learned how to build that connection, what causes the detachment. And I mean, if we see, we are given so many articles, so many tutorials, so many documents that are there to build connection with other people, be it friendship, be it relationship, be it job, be it parents. There are numerous amount of information on how to build connection with another people, another person, another human being. But and also not just information, but I think also importance is given a lot to impress another person, but not so much about ourselves, like having that connection with yourself, building that relationship with yours in therapies, in any, even in, if you Google any article, be comfortable. There will always be one suggestion, one opinion, that open up with someone you are comfortable with, open up with someone, with a therapist or a friend. The reasons can be numerous. For one to numb their own emotions and own whereabouts, can be too intense to handle such certain situation, don't know what particular label to put for what they are experiencing. And we have never really taught on how to build that connection with ourselves. I don't see anyone teaching that in school. We all read books like how to influence other people, how to influence friends, how to be a better friend, how to be a better friend to yourself. So yes, we're gonna talk about that. कोविड के टाइम काफ़ी लोगों को झटका लगा था, एंड काफ़ी लोगों के पास फ्री टाइम था, बिकॉज देयर वाज नो पर्टिकुलर वर्क टू डू इफ we were not really allowed to go out, so there was not much or many things to do. So a lot of people have experienced that, sitting with oneself how it's like to just sit with oneself, because I guess before COVID they never really got a chance, or they never really thought what it is like to just sit with yourself. It's always, do one thing, उसके बाद कुछ और करो, बाहर जाओ, चिल करो, काम करो, या घर पर आओ, घर का काम करो, या कुछ और करो. As in कुछ ना कुछ there has been their mind, their life has been occupied. And वो एक झटका लगता है जब अचानक अपने आप के साथ बैठना पड़ता है, and then there is nothing else to do. So being idle, first sign of the fact that you are running away from something. Whenever you always feel like, oh, right now I don't want to think about this, let me just go do this, let me just go to gym, let me just go buy groceries, let me just do work. A lot of workaholics are avoidant. A lot of workaholics they're not connected to their body, they're not connected to their mind, because they just drown themselves to work, they're distracting themselves. So if you are distracting yourself from something, that something needs an attention. That is the first sign that you're running away from something. You're running away from your own self. Also, when you don't know who you are authentically, you pick up traits of other people, like maybe from movies. Maybe movies are literally the easiest and simplest way we get influenced, and movie makers know that. Okay, let's not go into that. I will talk about entertainment and music, how they influence our mind. But yes, we take certain traits that we are attracted to, and we embody that, and we think of it as, okay, now this is my personality, I will talk like this, I will say like this, I will pretend like this. Especially, one of those hero types of movies, oh, he did like this, and he killed the villain. But जितना भी stupid sound करता हो वो, we do get influenced by movies and certain songs, and unknowingly in our subconscious mind we kind of think like we can act like this, and यही particular चीज़ें will act out, it will act out in our life as well, which is not really a case. Sometimes we can take traits from our close friends, our close family, relatives, whoever it can be a celebrity giving an interview, and you can take that trait from that person, because you don't really know who authentically you are, what are your traits you're kind of avoiding. You have that layer, you don't really want to see it. We will come there, because we will come there as well, because that is where inner child healing comes. But you don't really see who exactly you are, exactly what are your qualities. So you are just so attracted by Priyanka Chopra's speaking skills, and anybody you can, or somebody's particular dressing style. Like, let's be honest, how Kardashians and Jenners, all of these models are influencing women in how one should dress, particular cosmetic products, how one should have a particular face, particular body. You get influenced because that is where your deep insecurities are. So not knowing yourself gives you insecurities as well. So when you start knowing yourself, just imagine all of these insecurities will go away and you will be invincible. Nobody can make you insecure, nobody can make you feel bad, nobody can make a business out of your insecurities or earn money out of your insecurities. When you know exactly who you are, you will embody the most confident version of yourself, not the fake version of like embody it, वो ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं टिकता है. That fake it till you make it ज़्यादा दिन तक नहीं टिकेगा. Some or the other day will come where you will crash and you won't know how to act. So yeah, these were two signs. One was running away, avoiding things to do. Second is not knowing who you are, so you take qualities and skills from another person. So how do we build this connection with ourselves? Step number 1, hold space for your true self. That means sit with yourself. You can have a mirror in front of you, that is fine. Sit with yourself. Accept each and every part of you. Don't judge yourself. Just stay there and be with yourself like a friend. Like how you would be there for a friend, be there for yourself. Okay, if you look at your skin, don't be like, oh mera skin kitna ganda hai, oh mera baal kitna ganda hai. Don't comment on yourself, don't judge yourself. Look at yourself without judging and fixing yourself. Our mind is our worst enemy, and it will come up with whole lot of nonsense that how we are not perfect, how we are not enough. Okay, a lot of the thoughts and ideologies we get from societies or people we grew up surroundings, and also cinema is a big influence. So sometimes when you have insecure friends as well, they might comment on you. तो वो एक वो एक thought दिमाग में plant हो जाता है, and then you start hating any particular your body parts or your face, your skin, lips, anything, how you talk, your voice. किसी ने कुछ comment किया रहेगा तो ये तो दुश्मनी वाली बात हुई ना, इसमें कोई friendship वाली बात नहीं होती. Friend, I'm talking about accept all of your qualities, however you look, however you talk, however you walk, however you are, and don't just keep it to your physical self or how you present yourself. Go a little bit ahead with when it comes to your background, where you come from, where you live. A lot of people have shame and guilt from their background or where they live, and with the society ऊंच नीच का बहुत आता है. तो when it comes to दूसरों को impress करने के लिए हमेशा कुछ बड़ी चीज़ें या impressive चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, ऐसा रहता है. और वो अगर नहीं है तुम्हारे पास तो तुम्हें guilt या shame ऐसा होता है. तो go a step ahead and accept those things as well, from where you come from, what is your background, your culture, wherever you live, what rich, middle class, lower class, wherever you come from, you have to accept. अगर अभी accept नहीं होता, so you at least have to give it attention. You have to say that, you have to own it. Like, yes, this is me. Change starts when you accepting it. और जब तुम एक्सेप्ट भी कर लेते हो ना, So other people loses that power over you, because if anybody wants to guilt you or shame you about any particular thing, but if you own it and say like, yeah, this is me, the other person completely loses the power. You're getting it? There is no way that they can use it as an insecurity. Anything you accept it, that loses the power for another person to make you insecure. Okay, so accept your own truth, and if you can't accept, at least give it attention. As a step 1, give it attention. Okay, और अगर दिमाग में बहुत कुछ होता है, so then take a journal, take a book, कोई भी book चलेगा, write it down, start journaling all the things. You can also make a section of the good things and the bad things, or write all the good things about yourself and write all the bad things that you don't like about yourself. Not necessarily that it's a bad quality, but the things you don't like about yourself. It can be anything. You have to address it. Sometimes it can go either way. One person who is a bit negative will only and only focus on all the bad stuff. Like ये बुरा है, ये बुरा है, ये बुरा है, ये भी अच्छा नहीं, वो भी अच्छा नहीं, कुछ अच्छा नहीं. Okay, and another person who does not want to see any of the bad qualities within themselves will only and only focus on the good side. Like ये मेरे पास अच्छा, वो अच्छा, ये मैं ये हूँ, मैं वो, मैं स्टार हूँ. ठीक है? Knowing your real self is knowing both of your sides. Yes, you can work on it. You can work on your bad side as well. But first, you need to know exactly what that is. Give it attention, and then from there you can grow. Do not judge yourself. तुम ही हो. It's just this conversation is just happening between you and yourself and maybe a book. Okay? तो कोई third person नहीं है. Third person, second person भी नहीं है. Okay, it's just you. So be completely honest. You have to learn to be completely honest with yourself. It's a skill. You would be shocked at knowing how many people lie to themselves, gaslight themselves. तुमको दूसरे लोगों का प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है कि तुम्हें gaslight कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पर इतने सारे लोग हैं जो खुद को gaslight कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? So try. You have to be completely honest with yourself without judgment. You खुद को मत जज करो. जो भी है लिख दो. ठीक है? ये एक दिन का काम नहीं है. This process takes time. It's okay. Whenever you feel like doing that inner work, trigger मिलता है. अगर तुम्हें trigger मिल रहा है बहुत ज़िंदगी में, that means it's time for you to do that inner work, to build that connection with yourself. Okay, so automatically you will feel like, okay, let me bring out my journal and do all of this stuff. And also don't go for self-punishment or self-critiquing. Like, I cannot believe कि मैंने ये किया, ये मैंने कैसे किया, ये कैसे हो सकता है. Right now, don't go there, okay? Right now, that is not where you need to go. Right now, you just need to write it down and accept कि ये हुआ है. Step 2, to reclaim all the parts that you have abandoned of yourself. अभी abandon किया तो याद भी नहीं है, तो क्या reclaim करें हम? कहाँ क्या? जब वहाँ पर अंधेरा छाया है तो reclaim क्या करें? इसके लिए क्या करना है? Okay, now this step is a little bit intense. Okay, so be ready. ये जब करोगे तो have plenty of time in your hand, maybe an hour. Take out your old photos of you when you were a child. Maybe your school photos, your first birthday photo, your 5th year birthday photos. Take out photos, okay? And कुछ ना कुछ stories, यादें आएंगे. फोटोज़ का काम ही वही है, मेमोरीज़ का काम ही वही है कि ओ ये टाइम पे ना मेरे साथ ये हुआ था, ये टाइम पे मेरे साथ ये हुआ था. What does it means reclaiming the parts that you have abandoned? Now example on emotional term, if I can think of, is like, suppose you were a sensitive child, if you were a sensitive kid, maybe someone told you कि like, you're so sensitive. ज़्यादातर तो दूसरे लोग ही ट्रॉमा देते हैं, ठीक है. वी कैन नॉट कंट्रोल व्हाट अदर्स डू, वी कैन ओनली कंट्रोल हाउ वी डील विद इट, राइट? बट so we think, and also this happens a lot with, I think, men, because the society is like that. We toughen up. नहीं दिखाएंगे हम मर्द है. What happens? You lose that connection with yourself. You numbed out your emotions, you numbed out your feminine aspects of you, you numbed out an aspect of you that actually acknowledge things. You like brush it off and just like, let's toughen up. I don't want to be seen as a sensitive person, or I feel shame to show any of these qualities or these talents. So just I don't want to let it go. This can also come off as like, if you like dancing but you never had friends who used to dance, or you had friends who wanted to do painting or something else, and you opted for that and you completely abandoned the fact that you actually like dancing. How this can show up in real life, like if you want to, again in friend situation, you want to do something, some particular activity. I'm connecting the dots. I think that's how my mind works. But you self-sabotage and be like, oh, it's okay, it's okay, maybe we'll do it next time. The next time never comes. So you know what, let's just do it what you want. So you completely abandoned a part of you that wanted to experience this particular experience. A part of you wanted to experience dancing or maybe a dance workshop, but what you went for? You went for painting or pottery or whatever. I'm just giving an example. Let's go to third, that is to speak to yourself loudly. That doesn't mean you are crazy, that doesn't mean that you will go crazy, but that means you are building a connection with yourself. अब बात कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, बता दो. You know those scenes in movies where a character will take a break and they'll go to a room or a bathroom, they'll stand in front of a mirror and be like, they'll be talking. There'll be a very dramatic scene where they're talking to themselves. वही करना है. You are the main character of your own life, right? So you have to be like that. That means you have to like do simple check-ins with yourself, like, hey, hi Vinny, what's up, what's going on, how's your day going, did that make you feel bad? Wow, that person complimented you, that's so good, great, but let's not be flattered that easily. Did that thing go right? How do you feel about that? Do you need a minute to think about it? What do you want to eat today? What do you want to do today? Build that connection with yourself. Don't just jump onto your best friend and message, hey, hi. तुम दुनिया भर के लोगों को पूछे कि hi, I'm just checking with you if you're okay or not. Who is giving that attention to yourself? Maybe even if your best friend is giving that attention to yourself, in this generation, पहले best friend हम खुद के बनते हैं, okay? Because I don't trust people who are not friends with themselves. They cannot be friends with me because there are a lot of insecurities and I don't want to go in that department. Simple. You do not want to be friends with someone who is not friends with themselves, because they will indirectly cause a lot of harm onto you and they will just project a lot of their own insecurities onto you. So you don't want to be that person either, right? So start speaking out loudly. Don't do this in the mind में भी कर सकते हो, but loud, when you're out loud, when you're expressing, you are talking with your body, your voice, your stomach. There's energy, it's vibration. Feel it. Third, talk to yourself out loud. Now fourth one is write letters to yourself. I want to add something to the third point. You can use as a prop, you can use mirror or a phone. Everybody has a phone, they have camera, you have camera. So put on video mode on and talk to yourself, just like pretend like you're making a YouTube video. You never know, it might be a next hit. So talk to yourself. बहुत स्टार्टिंग में जिसको आदत नहीं है खुद का आवाज़ खुद को आईने में देखना बहुत वियर्ड लगेगा, बिकॉज येट यू हैव नॉट एक्सेप्टेड योर सेल्फ, राइट? सो यू वुड फाइंड लाइक ऑल द खामियां. तो मेरा आवाज़ ऐसा साउंड करता है. खुद के बड़े दुश्मन हम ही हैं, okay? होगा, but bear with it, do not delete it just yet. Talk to yourself, build an album. Not ready, maybe don't upload it anywhere, but just build it yourself, keep it to yourself, be comfortable being who you are, start being comfortable in your own skin. This is what the proverb actually means, to accepting your everything. When you look at yourself, your own video, right, आईने में तो फिर भी चला जाता है, there's nothing recording. When you watch your own video, that is the real deal, because you can ask any YouTuber जो बड़े हुए, like you can watch their interviews and all. Many of them have this experience that initially when it came to editing themselves, they all had this cringe moment, you know. खुद को हम cringe बहुत ज़्यादा लगता है, क्योंकि हम बहुत जज करते हैं ना कि कितना cringe है ये चीज़ें, तो हम खुद को ही बहुत क्रिंज लगते हैं, हमारे सारी चीज़ें क्रिंज लगते हैं, बिकॉज वी आर स्केयर्ड ऑफ अदर पीपल्स जजमेंट. तो हम खुद को ही जज करके हटा देते हैं, लाइक ना ये नहीं हो. तो दिस इज़ वॉट आई वॉन्टेड टू ऐड. यू कैन यूज मिरर एंड वीडियो एज अ प्रॉप. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ, राइट लेटर्स टू योरसेल्फ. सो राइट लेटर to your 10-year-old self or 5-year-old self. Write anything. If you felt bad about something, say that, oh, I feel so bad that you went through all of these stuff. This is so unfair that you had to deal with all of these things. You were just a child. I'm so sorry that you went through all of these things. Or you can give your younger version some love, that, oh, you know what, no matter what, I will always love you. See, inner child healing is basically reparenting yourself. So you give that younger version of yourself love. You can imagine any age, whatever age that you feel drawn to most. Maybe it can be a teenage age, it can be extremely young, maybe 5-year-old, 3-year-old. Any memories you have that you want to give attention to, good or bad. Again, give attention to good things as well. We can be drawn to bad things because वो ही है जो नस नस में रह जाता है, दिमाग में छप जाता है बुराई चीज़ें. तो अच्छी चीज़ों को भी attention दो. Okay, mention all of those things as well. Okay, write letters to yourself. यार, you love yourself. तुम friends को letter लिख सकते हो, तुम relationship में letters लिख सकते हो, तुम bye bye letter Instagram में बड़ा बड़ा happy birthday का post डाल के इतना बड़ा caption लिख सकते हो. तो तुम खुद के लिए एक letter नहीं लिख सकते हो. Write letter to your younger version of yourself. Choose whatever age. एक letter किसने बोला? 10 letter लिखना है, 10 letter लिखो, अपने पास रखो. तुमको पोस्ट भी, मतलब वो स्टैम्प भी लगाना तो स्टैम्प भी लगाओ, सुंदर करके लिखना है, प्रॉपर, जैसे भी प्रॉपर लेटर. गिव योरसेल्फ प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट. ओके, दैट इज हाउ यू शो लव. व्हेन यू गिव योरसेल्फ प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट, वो बाहरी दिखावे की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट तुम खुद को दे रहे हो तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो बाहर से भी प्यार आएगा. तुमको दूसरों को बताने का ज़रूरत नहीं कि लाइक, ओह लुक एट मी, आई मेड दिस लेटर इन दिस पर्टिकुलर पेपर. दूसरों को बताने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. वी आर नॉट गेनिंग वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम अदर पीपल. वी आर डूइंग दिस फॉर आवरसेल्फ. सो वी आर बिल्डिंग दिस कनेक्शन फॉर आवरसेल्फ. नाउ फॉर मैन, इफ दिस इज टू गर्ल, वही लाइक लेटर, खुद पे लेटर्स लिखना, this is all like very emotional stuff. I don't do this. This is मज़ा नहीं आता ये करने के लिए. It's too slow, it's too boring. हो सकता है, okay, सब सेम नहीं होते. This can happen to some women as well. No gender attached to particular like writing letter stuff. You can also write journals. Okay, letters नहीं पसंद है, make a journal. Take a journal, take any book, take any old book, start writing your emotions. लिखते लिखते ही you will start getting clarity on things. So writing helps, journaling helps. Don't figure out like ये word correct है कि नहीं, ये grammar correct है कि नहीं, इसको क्या, just start writing. Okay, no, and nobody is gonna read. If you feel like anybody is gonna read, तुम जुगाड़ कर लो यार, फाड़ के फेंक दो या keep it in a private space. Nobody should read, but yes, you can figure out a way to maintain a journal. And then this is amazing thing, because if you maintain a journal for a year, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि डेली तुम लिख रहे हो. लेट्स बी रियल, डेली लिखने के लिए बहुत डेडिकेशन चाहिए रहता है, बट यू कैन डू इट लाइक 2-3 टाइम्स अ वीक वेन एवर यू फील लाइक राइटिंग, चलेगा. बट एक साल के बाद व्हेन यू लुक बैक एट इट एंड व्हेन यू रीड इट, यू कैन सी दैट ओ माय गॉड, इतना प्रोग्रेस हुआ है मेरे पर्सनालिटी में, इतना चीज़ें मुझे पहले जो इतना मैटर करती थी अब वो इतना मैटर नहीं करती, बिकॉज यू स्टार्ट लेटिंग थिंग्स गो एंड योर ऑरा चेंजेस, योर एनर्जी अपग्रेड्स, योर फ्रीक्वेंसी अपग्रेड्स, योर वाइब्रेशन चेंजेस. तो वो बोलते हैं ना, जो चीज़ें पुरानी वाली चीज़ें ना वो चली जाती है, थोड़ा सा ऐसे हल्का हल्का फीलिंग होगा, जैसे डेंस फील रहता है ना किसी का एनर्जी. कुछ लोगों का एनर्जी फील बहुत डेंस रहता है, बिकॉज दे आर होल्डिंग ऑन टू लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. When you start letting it go, let things go, believe me, that is where you start making that connection. तभी वो हल्कापन आता है, तभी वो fluidity आता है. Okay, so your homework, yes, there is gonna be a homework. And teacher, what do you expect? I'm gonna give a homework. Make a list of all the good and bad stuff about yourself that you think are good and bad about yourself. Doesn't matter what the world thinks, what you think. Accept it without judging and punishing yourself. Look at your old photos and your old memories, and look for anything that has been blindsided by you. Okay, give it attention, shine some light on it. Third will be speaking to yourself loudly, videos, mirrors, whatever. And fourth is, of course, writing a letter to yourself or maintaining a journal. Okay, so now this is the stage 1. You guys want to give it a try. If there's a call for you to like do inner child healing, maybe you can start with these stuff. So good luck. And if there's anything you want to ask or comment, there is always comment section below. You can comment it down below. Okay, bye bye.